circle, and plie, conjugate side, push out, up, plie, releve, no plie, up, 8 times, good, continue. Make sure you exhale up, circle other side, and plie, conjugate side, push out, and up, good, and releve 8 times, 1 count each, feel the stomach heel, good, backbone forwards, don't plie, okay, yes. Beautiful. Stay on toes. And then you go toes only. Toes only. Toes only. 8 times. Continue doing it. Doing it. Very good. Good. Right now, drag in Su-Su. Su-Su kick. Get ready. Release ball on time. On 5. 5. Stay there. Don't move. Su-Su. Change your leg, Su-Su kick back. Tailbone forwards, lock your tailbone into place. Release ball on 5. And the first patient plie. And straight up. Finish it up.